very nice. This is so fun, huh?
It's better and better, alright. But in the meantime, I'd like to call again the following winners to claim their prizes. Now you're given 30 minutes to claim your prizes, but in your booking day, we need to redraw again. So I'd like to call on Voltaire Palayan from SM Ortiz. Please claim your prize. And Jennifer Atutugo from SM Ortiz as well.
So we have 30 minutes to claim your prize. So please take your prize and sign in.